Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes as an Uber driver. As an independent contractor, you have unique tax responsibilities. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you report your earnings correctly and take advantage of available deductions. It's important to stay organized throughout the year to make tax season smoother. Let's dive into the specifics of what you need to know to manage your Uber driver taxes effectively. Tracking your income and expenses is crucial for accurate tax filing. You'll need to account for all earnings from Uber, including any tips or promotional bonuses. On the expense side, meticulously record costs such as mileage, vehicle maintenance, and your cell phone plan. Keeping a clear log of these items will significantly simplify your tax calculations and help maximize your deductions. As an independent contractor, you're likely responsible for paying estimated taxes quarterly. If you anticipate owing $1,000 or more, make these payments to avoid penalties. Don't forget to claim valuable deductions, such as the standard mileage rate, which is 67 cents per mile. Other deductible expenses include tolls, Uber commissions, and any professional fees you incur. You'll primarily use Form 1099 NEC to report your non-employee compensation from Uber. Additionally, Schedule C of Form 1040 is where you'll detail your business income and expenses. Remember to keep all your records organized throughout the year. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals. Staying prepared makes tax season much less stressful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.